Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're a little bit west of the Las Vegas Strip today. We're going to visit the Orleans Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. The Orleans is owned and operated by Boyd Gaming. It includes a large multi-purpose Orleans arena that can be converted into an ice rink and can seat 9,000 attendees. Though the Orleans attracts a fair number of tourists, it's particularly considered a primarily locals casino. It's located less than a mile from the Las Vegas Strip, a little bit west of the Strip, and it offers a 9 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. free shuttle bus approximately every 30 minutes to its sister property, the Gold Coast Hotel and Casino, as well as the Link on the Strip. Come on, let's head inside and check out the Orleans. The $173 million Orleans opened on 88 acres of land in December 18, 1996, with 840 hotel rooms. When the Orleans first opened, it didn't perform up to expectations. In 1999, a major addition to the casino and other amenities were added, and the success of these changes has been demonstrated by continued expansions in later years. The Orleans Arena was added in 2003, and a second hotel tower was added in 2004. And on a side note, the location has the distinction of having hosted the final concert performance of stand-up comedian George Carlin in June 2008. One of my favorite comedians, by the way. This is Bailiwick, an experience for all with entertainment and cool happenings, live bands, and an ever-expanding food and drink options. The lounge offers a social hour with bite-sized dishes to share, specialty cocktails, and 40 beers on draft.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This is the Medley Buffet. Travel the world without leaving your seat at the Medley Buffet in Las Vegas, featuring temptations from around the world. The 8 cooking stations make exactly what you're hungry for. And unfortunately, as with many buffets in Las Vegas right now, it's temporarily closed. The Orleans also has a TGIF, around the country better known as Fridays. And if you're looking for some quick bites, the Orleans has Fuddruckers, Barrows, Subways, Baskin-Robbins, Rocky Mountain Chocolate, Java Vegas Coffee, as well as the bowling snack bar. Bowling will be covered shortly in this video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
This is Big Al's Oyster Bar, another place that's temporarily closed, but it serves freshly shucked oysters and clams when it's opened, or choose from steamed clams, pan roast, bouillabaisse, and pasta dishes, all served with an authentic Creole Cajun flair. And there's lots of Creole and Cajun going on in this hotel because after all it's called the Orleans, and as you guys know, New Orleans is one of my favorite cities in the country. Lots of New Orleans videos on this channel. And here we have the Mardi Gras bar, Mardi Gras being French for Fat Tuesday. The Orleans Sportsbook. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. This is the Copper Whisk Cafe, serving breakfast specialties all day as well as lunch and dinner fare. There's always something to satisfy you here. This is the Prime Rib Loft. True to its name, the Prime Rib Loft is famous for its delectable cuts of prime rib, the Orleans, the English cut, Cajun style, and the real beefeater cut, an extra thick double cut with a bone, all specially selected and dry aged to ensure tenderness, then seasoned and slowly roasted for incredible flavor. And right next door is Andori Asian Kitchen, featuring the best of both worlds. They feature authentic Chinese entries alongside a large selection of sushi dishes and Japanese cuisine. This is the Alligator Bar. I mean, how Louisiana can you get?
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
This is Alder and Birch, cocktails and steaks the way nature intended. The casual elegance of Alder and Birch celebrates American tradition with steaks and classic entrees. Alder and Birch features an assortment of shared plates, handcrafted cocktails, house-made ginger beers, prime steaks, and classic American entrees. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Hey, Century Theaters and Kids Time in Arcade. Let's check it out, shall we? Hold on tight. So up here they have a Century Theater, a Kids Time place, as well as a arcade, a rather large arcade. Let's check it out. Alrighty, we headed back downstairs only to head back upstairs to the bowling alley. It's a different set of escalators. Sorry about that, but let's check out the bowling alley here at the Orleans Hotel and Casino. As I've mentioned in other videos, the hotels and casinos west of the Las Vegas Strip that cater mostly to locals seem to have a lot of bowling alleys. And as I've mentioned in other videos on this channel, my favorite bowling alley so far in Las Vegas has been the Red Rock Resort. Great music, great lighting, great lounges, and great food. I'll put a link below to the Red Rock Resort bowling alley. Check out the NewYorkVegas.com link in the description below. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, you could save up to 50% on hotels, restaurants, shows, and attractions. And as we head on outside of the Orleans Hotel and Casino and head back to the Strip, let me know what you thought of this place. Leave a comment below. We'd all appreciate it.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.